Welcome to Nonong's World. Lentigay na linaw. Good day, YouTubers. Here in our storeroom, there is so many things like this remote control in this box. Various type of appliances like air conditioning, heat pumps, television, satellite receivers, and DVD players, to name a few. I pick up an LG remote and general brand heat pumps. I then get this IR receiver from an old and damaged heat pump control. I remove it from the PC board and desolder the IR receiver. There are 3 pins of this IR receiver, namely ground, VCC, and output. This is Arduino Uno. It is a microcontroller and it has a processor and input and output. Here I will put directly the IR receiver ground to ground of the Arduino to the VCC to the 5 volts. And output to pin number 8 of the Arduino using DuPont female to male connector. Then I plug it to the USB port of my computer. I open the Arduino IDE to program and flash it to the Arduino Uno. But first, I have to be sure that my Arduino Uno is detected by my computer. So I go to Device Manager and check the port, and I saw that my Arduino Uno is connected to COM number 5 and it's okay. I go back to Arduino IDE and check also the board to be flashed. It is important that the Uno is selected and port it is in COM5 as shown in my device manager, my computer. I click flash. You will notice that the LED light of TX and RX of the Arduino is flashing. That's the indicator that the program is already flashed to the Arduino Uno. Then I open my serial monitor, set the baud to 9600 and start looking my desired key on my LG remote corresponding hex number. I prepare the on and off button of the remote. Each key has a different hex number. When I'm happy with this hex number of my prepared button, I copied it to another code that I wrote earlier and put the hex number onto it. Then I flash it again to the Arduino Uno. And it's done, the programming. It's time to make the hardware. I put a supply of 12 volts to the Arduino. I tested it with the remote and it's functioning correctly because of the LED light coming on and off every time I press the power off and on the remote. I then use a single channel relay. It has a normally open NO, common, and normally closed NC connector. It is a 5 volt DC power supply. DC supply in the control side and 110 to 220 volts AC to the load side. I will then connect the VCC of the relay to 5 volt pin of the Arduino and ground to ground. And output to pin number 13 of the Arduino. Then I have to make a connection with the use of a wall socket and series it to the load side of the relay. Please seek professional help in doing electrical work. You do not qualify to do so because electricity can kill or severely damage, injure people and cause damage to property. I am a professional HVAC technician here in Saudi Arabia, by the way. I then put a fluorescent light to test the unit. And it's working. Furthermore, I use another device. It's an electric fan I salvaged in the defective exhaust fan. And it's working as well. If you make this project successfully, you can use this to power electrical device wirelessly. You can turn on and off the light or use this remote control the same as of universal remote on the appliances that you have. This is a closer look of the remote functioning properly as the power button is pressing on and off. Thank you for viewing. Please like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.